Hi, this is Dr. Barron. I want to show you some changes to how we're going to be doing the retake for those of you guys who didn't get as high of a score on the energy test that you would like. The first thing to pay attention to is when you go to Haiku, under the announcements you see on the right when you first visit, I now have a weekly agenda. And on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for this week, you will see what we're doing. So on Wednesday, you're finishing collecting data and you do the analysis and conclusion in class. If you don't finish it in class, it's homework. But really, the focus is going to be the analysis and collecting data. You're going to do that in groups until you are able to correctly answer the research question about what the metal is. This will be due at the start of class on Thursday. And if you need to make any revisions to your conclusion, you can do that at the start of class, but you must have written one in order to make those revisions. Otherwise, it will not allow you to do that at that time. Also, you need to start studying to retake the energy test, 2A and 2B. That's the lab test. And many of you are like, wait, isn't this in-class thing that we're supposed to be doing the retake? Well, yes, it is. That's the lab part of the retake, but then there's the additional thought questions. So conveniently, the test correction videos are posted on Haiku. You're going to take notes on these videos in order to be allowed to take the retake. And the retake's actually going to happen on Friday. So on Friday this week, we're doing both the energy test competency retakes, or upgrade scores if you would like, and there's going to be an accelerated test option that involves lab work on Friday. Thursday, we begin our next unit. We're going to review what happened during the lab, and then we're also going to talk electrons and periodic table stuff. So anyhow, click on Competency 2 Energy and you'll see the wonderful resources I provided. So first off, don't forget your competency guide describes all the stuff you should know. Then there's the first test that you took, which was free response. There's a test corrections video. You click on it. And on your iPad, it may not play like it's playing on my video. Like if you see, it's basically like a YouTube video where I explain the answers to all the additional, or all the test questions that are there. But you may actually have to download the EduCreations app and create an account. It's free. You just download the app and then you should be able to play the video. If you run into issues with this, definitely shoot me an email. The other one that I posted is the Mystery Metal Lab Test, the additional thought questions. So if you click on this one, same kind of a thing. We have the video, YouTube video, sort of Khan Academy style, explaining all the answers to all the questions with me talking it out and drawing it out. Excellent resource. Then for the lab test, this is going to be helpful for you in class collecting data. I have a couple of examples of 3.75s on the lab test. If you click on this, it's going to take you to something called Evernote, where I've posted images of a few scholars' lab reports that are at the 3.75 level. I only have one little typo, and the typo is going to be this one. This scholar definitely does not get a plus on procedures, but otherwise their data is clear enough that they can analyze it, and the scholar has an excellent analysis. But otherwise, they're great examples of 3.75s. No one was writing a conclusion at a level 4, and we'll talk about why when you get the lab test passed back. If you have any other questions, shoot me an email. The lab tests will be coming back to you on Thursday. I thought I'd get them to you on Wednesday, but they're taking a lot longer to grade than I had ever anticipated doing. If you have questions, again, shoot me emails and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much.